Do you want to get rid of that stubborn belly fat that makes you feel uncomfortable and insecure? Do you want to achieve a flat and toned stomach in just 2 weeks without going on a crash diet or spending hours at the gym? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 simple and effective tips to lose belly fat in 2 weeks, based on scientific research and proven results. These tips are easy to follow, require no special equipment, and will help you burn fat, boost your metabolism, and improve your health. So, if you're ready to transform your body and your confidence, keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. First of all, you should know the method that how you can measure belly fat and set a realistic goal for yourself. The easiest way to measure your belly fat is to use a tape measure and wrap it around your waist at the level of your belly button. Make sure the tape is snug but not too tight, and take the measurement while you exhale. According to the World Health Organization, a healthy waist circumference for men is less than 94 centimeters, and for women is less than 80 centimeters. Anything above these numbers indicates a high risk of abdominal obesity and related diseases. To lose belly fat in 2 weeks, you need to create a calorie deficit, which means you need to burn more calories than you consume. A safe and sustainable calorie deficit is about 500 to 1000 calories per day, which can help you lose about 0.5 to 1 kilogram of weight per week, depending on your starting point and activity level. However, keep in mind that not all weight loss is fat loss, and some of it may be water or muscle loss. Therefore, don't rely solely on the scale, but also use other methods, such as the tape measure, the mirror, or the fit of your clothes, to track your progress and adjust your plan accordingly. Alright, now that you know how to measure your belly fat and set a realistic goal, let's get into the 20 tips that will help you lose belly fat in 2 weeks. These tips are divided into 4 categories: diet, exercise, lifestyle, and supplements. I'll explain each tip briefly and give you some examples and suggestions on how to implement it. Are you ready? Let's go. Diet tips. Tip 1. Eat more protein. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient, which means it keeps you full for longer and reduces your appetite. It also helps you preserve your muscle mass, which is important for your metabolism and fat burning. Aim to get at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, and include a source of protein in every meal and snack. Some examples of high-protein foods are eggs, chicken, fish, lean beef, tofu, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and dairy products. Tip 2. Eat more fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest, which means it adds bulk to your food and makes you feel satisfied with fewer calories. It also helps you regulate your blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and supports your digestive health. Aim to get at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day, and include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, oats, barley, quinoa, chia seeds, flax seeds, and psyllium husk. Tip 3. Eat less refined carbs and added sugars. Refined carbs and added sugars are the main culprits of belly fat, because they spike your blood sugar and insulin levels, which promote fat storage and hunger. They also provide empty calories, which means they have no nutritional value and only add to your calorie intake. Avoid or limit foods that contain refined carbs and added sugars, such as white bread, white rice, pasta, pastries, cookies, cakes, candies, sodas, juices, and processed foods. Instead, opt for complex carbs that are high in fiber and nutrients, such as the ones mentioned in Tip 2. Tip 4. Eat healthy fats. Fats are not your enemy, as long as you choose the right types and amounts. Healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, can help you lower your belly fat by improving your insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation, and increasing your satiety. They also provide essential fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6, which are important for your brain and heart health. Include moderate amounts of healthy fats in your diet, such as olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines. Avoid or limit unhealthy fats, such as saturated and trans fats, which can increase your belly fat and your risk of cardiovascular disease. These fats are found in foods like butter, cheese, red meat, palm oil, coconut oil, and fried and baked goods. Tip 5. Drink more water. Water is essential for your body's functions, including metabolism, digestion, and detoxification. It also helps you suppress your appetite, flush out excess sodium and toxins, and prevent dehydration and bloating. Aim to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, and more if you exercise or live in a hot climate. You can also drink other fluids, such as herbal teas, coffee, and sugar-free beverages, but avoid alcohol, as it can dehydrate you and increase your belly fat. A good way to stay hydrated is to drink a glass of water before and after each meal and snack, and carry a water bottle with you wherever you go. Exercise tips. Tip 6. Do high-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT is a type of exercise that involves alternating between short bursts of intense activity and brief periods of rest or low-intensity activity. HIIT is one of the most effective ways to burn belly fat, because it boosts your metabolism, increases your fat oxidation, and improves your insulin sensitivity. It also saves you time, as you can get a great workout in as little as 15 to 20 minutes. You can do HIIT with any type of exercise, such as running, cycling, swimming, jumping rope, or body weight exercises. The key is to push yourself hard during the high-intensity intervals, and recover during the low-intensity intervals. A simple HIIT workout could look something like this. Warm up for 5 minutes, then do 10 rounds of 30 seconds of sprinting and 30 seconds of walking, then cool down for 5 minutes. Tip 7. Do resistance training. Resistance training, also known as strength training or weight training, is another great way to lose belly fat, because it builds your muscle mass, which is more metabolically active than fat. This means that the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest and during exercise. Resistance training also helps you maintain your muscle mass while you lose fat, which is important for your body composition and shape. You can do resistance training with weights, such as dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, or machines, or with your own body weight, such as push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, or planks. Aim to do resistance training at least 2 to 3 times per week, and work all your major muscle groups, such as your chest, back, shoulders, arms, legs, and core. Tip 8. Do aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise, also known as cardio, is any type of exercise that increases your heart rate and breathing, such as walking, jogging, biking, swimming, or dancing. Aerobic exercise can help you lose belly fat by burning calories, improving your cardiovascular fitness, and reducing your stress levels. It can also enhance your mood, energy, and sleep quality. Aim to do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, and vary your activities to keep yourself motivated and challenged. Some examples of moderate intensity aerobic exercise are brisk walking, cycling, hiking, or water aerobics. Some examples of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise are running, sprinting, jumping rope, or kickboxing. You can also mix and match different intensities and durations, as long as you reach the recommended weekly amount. Aerobic exercise can be fun and enjoyable, especially if you do it with a friend, a group, or a music playlist. Lifestyle tips. Tip 9. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for your health and weight loss, as it affects your hormones, appetite, metabolism, and mood. Lack of sleep can increase your belly fat by increasing your hunger, cravings, stress, and inflammation. It can also impair your cognitive function, performance, and immunity. Aim to get at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, and follow a regular sleep schedule. You can also improve your sleep hygiene by avoiding caffeine, alcohol, nicotine, and screens before bed, keeping your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet, and relaxing your mind and body with meditation, reading, or music. Tip 10. Manage your stress. Stress is another factor that can contribute to your belly fat, as it triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage and appetite. Stress can also affect your mood, motivation, and behavior, leading you to make poor choices and overeat. Therefore, it's important to find healthy ways to cope with your stress and reduce its impact on your body and mind. Some examples of stress management techniques are deep breathing, yoga, tai chi, meditation, journaling, talking to a friend, or seeking professional help. Tip 11. Avoid smoking. Smoking is one of the worst habits you can have for your health and weight loss, as it increases your risk of various diseases, such as cancer, heart disease, stroke, and lung disease. It also damages your blood vessels, reduces your oxygen supply, and lowers your metabolism. Smoking can also increase your belly fat by altering your hormones, increasing your inflammation, and reducing your muscle mass. If you're a smoker, quitting is one of the best things you can do for yourself and your loved ones. You can seek help from your doctor, a counselor, a support group, or a nicotine replacement product, such as patches, gums, or lozenges. Tip 12. Limit your exposure to environmental toxins. Environmental toxins, such as pesticides, plastics, heavy metals, and air pollution, can interfere with your hormones, metabolism, and immune system, and increase your belly fat and your risk of chronic diseases. You can limit your exposure to these toxins by choosing organic foods, avoiding plastic containers and bottles, filtering your water, using natural cleaning and personal care products, and avoiding smoking and secondhand smoke. Tip 13. Be consistent and patient. Losing belly fat in 2 weeks is possible, but it's not easy or guaranteed. It requires a lot of dedication, discipline, and effort, and it may vary depending on your individual factors, such as your age, gender, genetics, and starting point. Therefore, don't expect miracles, and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Instead, focus on the process, and celebrate your small wins and improvements. Remember that losing belly fat is not a sprint, but a marathon, and that the most important thing is to make sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long term. Supplement tips. Tip 14. Take a probiotic. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and help you digest your food, produce vitamins, and fight off harmful pathogens. They can also help you lose belly fat by improving your gut health, reducing your inflammation, and regulating your appetite and metabolism. You can get probiotics from fermented foods, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha, or from supplements, such as capsules, powders, or liquids. Look for products that contain multiple strains of bacteria, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, and have at least 10 billion colony-forming units, CFUs, per serving. Tip 15. Take a multivitamin. A multivitamin is a supplement that contains a variety of vitamins and minerals that your body needs for its normal functions and processes. A multivitamin can help you lose belly fat by filling in any nutritional gaps in your diet, preventing deficiencies, and supporting your metabolism, immunity, and energy. You can choose a multivitamin that is tailored to your specific needs, such as your age, gender, or health condition, and follow the dosage and instructions on the label. However, keep in mind that a multivitamin is not a substitute for a balanced and healthy diet, and that you should always consult your doctor before taking any supplement. Tip 16. Take a green tea extract. Green tea extract is a supplement that contains concentrated amounts of catechins, which are antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory, anti-obesity, and anti-diabetic effects. Green tea extract can help you lose belly fat by increasing your fat burning, enhancing your insulin sensitivity, and reducing your appetite. You can take green tea extract in the form of capsules, tablets, or liquids, and follow the dosage and instructions on the label. However, be careful not to exceed the recommended amount, as green tea extract also contains caffeine, which can cause side effects, such as jitteriness, insomnia, and anxiety, especially if you're sensitive to it or consume other sources of caffeine. Tip 17. Take a fish oil. Fish oil is a supplement that contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for your brain, heart, and joint health. Fish oil can also help you lose belly fat by reducing your inflammation, improving your blood flow, and enhancing your fat oxidation. You can take fish oil in the form of capsules, soft gels, or liquids, and follow the dosage and instructions on the label. However, make sure to choose a high-quality product that is purified and free of contaminants, such as mercury, lead, and PCBs. You should also check with your doctor before taking fish oil, as it may interact with some medications, such as blood thinners or anti-inflammatory drugs. Tip 18. Take a whey protein. Whey protein is a supplement that contains high-quality protein derived from milk. Whey protein can help you lose belly fat by increasing your protein intake, which can boost your metabolism, preserve your muscle mass, and reduce your hunger and cravings. You can take whey protein in the form of powders, bars, or shakes, and consume it before or after your workouts, or as a snack or meal replacement. However, be careful not to overdo it, as too much protein can cause digestive issues, such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. You should also avoid whey protein if you're allergic or intolerant to dairy products. Tip 19. Take a caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant that can enhance your mental and physical performance, alertness, and mood. Caffeine can also help you lose belly fat by increasing your energy expenditure, fat burning, and thermogenesis. You can get caffeine from natural sources, such as coffee, tea, or cocoa, or from supplements, such as pills, gums, or energy drinks. However, be careful not to consume too much caffeine, as it can cause side effects, such as nervousness, irritability, insomnia, and palpitations, especially if you're sensitive to it or consume it late in the day. You should also limit or avoid caffeine if you have high blood pressure, heart problems, or anxiety disorders. Tip 20. Take a glucomannan. Glucomannan is a supplement that contains a type of soluble fiber derived from the root of the konjac plant. Glucomannan can help you lose belly fat by absorbing water and expanding in your stomach, which can create a feeling of fullness and reduce your calorie intake. It can also lower your blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and improve your bowel movements. You can take glucomannan in the form of capsules, powders, or tablets, and consume it before your meals, with plenty of water. However, be careful not to choke on it, as it can swell and block your throat or intestines if you don't drink enough water. You should also consult your doctor before taking glucomannan, as it may interfere with some medications, such as diabetes or cholesterol drugs. Conclusion. So, these are the 20 tips to lose belly fat in 2 weeks that I wanted to share with you. I hope you found them helpful and informative, and that you'll try them out and see the results for yourself. Remember that losing belly fat is not only good for your appearance, but also for your health and well-being. It's not impossible, but it requires a lot of commitment, consistency, and patience. So, don't give up, and don't let anything stop you from achieving your goal. You can do it, and I'm here to support you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.